is your First Alert 5 weather with Sam Schreier.
We hit Monday hard, didn't we? Here's some snow totals coming out of this system. Now, actually, a few of them just within the last 30 seconds I saw updated, so couldn't get them into my system. Monument, we had a 3-inch total. I saw a new update of 3.8, so pretty close. Manatee Springs, Black Forest, these were steady, but Black Forest, I just saw a new report of 5.5 inches, which is the biggest snow total I've seen out of the system. Haven't changed Pueblo west to Colorado City, although this was pretty early in the morning, so Colorado City, you've probably got to be closer to 1.5 inches, 2 inches by now with how much has come down. Now, Colorado Springs, our camera, I think, froze over on the lens because it's a lot more sunny outside, and clearly this should be in a lot better shape. So again, I think it was actually ice on the camera. Up top at Pikes Peak, we've got some snow still falling up on the mountain, -3. Up top the summit, it was 25 in the Springs. And Pueblo, a little bit of snow out there, although it probably isn't going to last very long. 29, still cloudy. You can actually see still little frozen flakes back onto the camera, even down by Pueblo. So that's just kind of something that happens on sky cams when you're zooming around the area. Now, we're looking at snow. Denver, it is thinned out. It is still a little bit heavier back into Fremont County, but a slow crunch down of that snowfall through southern Pueblo County into Walsenburg. This remainder snow is probably got another hour or two left on it, and then that's about it. So by 2 to 3, most of the snow in our area should be out of the way. And I wanted to show you the hour by hour. It's doing a pretty good job. Now, granted, the precip out east of Pueblo through the plains that we're seeing is much lighter than the model thought, but it kind of understands that because it clears it right out of here. Has a sprinkle or two left to the eastern plains. I don't see that happening, but by 1:30 to then 2, 3 o'clock, we're really only left with some flurries back into those southern mountains. And our attention turns to temperatures tonight because by 5:30, it's in the 20s and 30s. By 10, it is still going to be back into the teens. So anything that is currently wet or snowy or icy is going to stay that way overnight, which could lead to some travel problems tomorrow. When you're out tomorrow morning, anything that looks a little damp, good chance it's going to have ice because these are the lows tonight and tomorrow morning. Not only could it be a little icy, it's just going to plain and simple be cold out there. So pack extra warm clothes for tomorrow morning's commute. Now, today we know we're kind of finishing up the snow through a lot of the region. Tomorrow, we start to get a lot warmer. We dry things out, 39 degrees. We stay dry through the extended. And then we're just watching towards next Sunday. That's the system that might bring a little bit of rain and snow. Right now, it looks like a bit of a mix of both, but not sold on it yet. The big story is just loving the temperatures this coming week. In fact, compared to the Midwest, we will literally be in heaven. The Midwest is forecasting temperatures with wind chills into the -30 or even 40-degree mark up towards Minnesota, Wisconsin. Now, Pueblo, nothing like that for you. 50s over your extended, lots of sunshine and just gorgeous weather. Although the next 2 mornings, that's some rough air. 7 and 8 the next 2 mornings. Canyon City, you're a little better the next couple mornings. 40s and 50s through your extended. No rain or snow out there until maybe something on Sunday. Finally, we get over towards Woodland Park. I am seeing flurries drying out today. 40s with sun, you're extended. But again, like everyone else, tomorrow morning, definitely watch for ice on 24 and 67.